Hi everyone, it's me again, Sheena, and welcome back to my channel. And today we will do unboxing of the latest Huawei Freelace Pro. So what I have here with me is the black color, midnight black. So come and let's check it out. So once we open it, charan! I have the black Huawei Freelace Pro again. Then we will check what's inside the box. So once we open it, below you can see two extra earbuds or ear tips. So it comes with small and here large, and of course the one that comes already with the lace or the Freelace Pro is the medium size. So at least you can change the buds which perfectly fits into your ears. So really cool. Next thing, we have the dongle. So here I will explain to you later on this is for what. And we have safety guidelines. Here we have some manuals, we have safety information, we have the warranty card, we have this one is also same. This is a startup guide, how to use your Freelace Pro but in different language. This is in Russian. And we have here quick start guide for Freelace Pro. So you have different manuals and also in different languages so that you can understand it fully. All right. Then, as I mentioned earlier, this is now the Huawei Freelace Pro. So let's remove it. It's very lightweight. It weighs only 34 grams. And here you have a liquid silicone materials. So it's super skin friendly. You will not have any allergic skin reaction even you're working out and even you're sweating. So it's very comfortable. Oops, it's removed. Right. Okay, so since it was removed, I will explain to you. This one, we called it high pair. So it's very easy to pair and also easy to charge. So once you have any Android devices, so what you need to do, as long as it's Type-C, you can charge it directly from your smartphone. So this is the charging port, and then you just plug it. Then 5 minutes of charging, you can use it for 5 hours. It's really great, guys. So you'll never run out of battery. Then, the dongle, if you don't have any Android devices, so what you need to do, so just plug it here, and then plug it to the power source or the power adapter. Then you can charge the Freelace Pro. So this is the benefits of having the dongle inside the box. Right? Then remove it. So I can use now my Huawei Freelace Pro. So really great, guys, in black color, midnight black. I think it suits me well. Right, Moas? So it's really great. Freelace Pro, and the price is 399 dirhams, very affordable. And of course, you will get, as I mentioned earlier, what's inside the box. You have shown it. We have done the unboxing. And please stay tuned again for more live videos. Thank you and see you.